What's up, guys? How y'all doing? Today's video, another install. Y'all saw my other one where I installed those guys. I kind of hinted at that I got another car part, but I didn't tell y'all what it was. So let me show y'all my car part. I'm pretty sure you guys already know since y'all clicked on this video, but let me show y'all. All right, let me open up real quick. Ready? Bam! It's an interior front dash for your 2015 to 2015, I think. I think the 2010s, 2013s are different. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. But yeah, bro. So I've had this leather one. Oh, damn, I always do this. Every time I film, it's sunset. All right. My bad. So, I'm going to take this thing out, hopefully. I tried to look it up on YouTube. No one has like a video of taking this out. But I'm just going to wing it, bro. So, I just look at what I have. So it looks like there's some clips or bolts right here. So I'm gonna have to take off this thing, and this thing is pretty much easy. Just take it off with the pry tool, this thing right here, and then it should pop out. And yeah, hopefully it's an easy install. And the reason why I got it is just because I have the red Zl1 steering wheel, and then I got this red stitching, the shift knob. And I'm like, you know what, let's switch it up a little bit. So I found this on a website, I think it's GM something. If I could find the website again, I will try to link it in the description, each part number and the website and where you can get it at, bro. So I got this piece. Oh shoot, where's the other piece at? Oh yeah, and this piece goes on the other side. Can y'all see it? Like, see that piece right there, that leather piece? Right where, exactly where I'm pointing at. This piece goes right there. So that could be suede not red. That could be suede with red stitching. And then it comes to over here. Take this out, and this becomes suede with red stitching is also. All right, so yeah, from the back, just looks like there's clips everywhere. If I break it, oh well. And I guess I break it, but because I got a new one, it's all good. I can hopefully transfer. Sheesh. Oh, my bad. Perfect fit, y'all. It's gonna look nice. And then I'm gonna actually paint this thing. I'm tired of it being gray because I'm gonna use it anyway, so at least I can take this off. Hopefully I can take it out. Oh yeah, I can take it off. And then I'm just gonna mask off like this carbon, and then mask off this, and then I'm just gonna paint all this black because I'm tired of it being gray and I want it to be like black with the carbon and with the, it's gonna look good. Hopefully I'll show you at the end. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this little install, y'all. Let's go. Oh no, good. Sheesh. All right, that was easy. 2 seconds later, bro, I took this out. All right, so next to these little bolts. My bad, y'all. Is there another bolt there? I doubt it. Yeesh, yes I did, yes sir. Alright, cool. Now that I have this thing off, I'm gonna take out these bolts, and then this bolt right here, and then a couple screwdrivers, and then this bolt, and then hopefully this thing will come off. And then I'm gonna paint this black with some Home Depot products. I'm not even gonna prep it, bro. Just try to get it done with, bro, because as y'all can see by the sun, it's currently almost 4 and the sun sets at 5. All right, so let's do this thing real quick. All right, let's go. Damn, the trash can just got here. All right, bam. So I took it out the other stock one. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Actually, I accidentally there was just clips on it, right? And I just pried it out very carefully, and I took it out. So it's gonna be much easier to paint. Good first coat. If you're asking, this is the same paint I used to paint this black thing on back. I painted this black with the Rust-Oleum from Home Depot. I went back, got the same one, and yeah, it's been like this for like a couple years now, and still holding up good. So that's how I'm gonna do another one, so at least kind of match this one. And then next thing is just keep waiting for the coats. Let's go. Oh, my bad. Perfect. Bam. Get this little thing that I wrapped years ago. Bing bang. Good. Like that.
Oh my god. You know what would look more nicer if this was more darker? But you wanted the suede.
Oh, babe, do you know, Shata?
Is that the last one?
No, just one more. This is the last one.
That's the mother.
Let's put this thing I wrapped. And the last piece.